the second part is asking you to actually solve. So I'm going to start with number 13. Number 13 says 10% of 3 is what? So let's write our equation. 10%, 1, 2 places. So 0.10 of means multiply. 3 is what? So you multiply those two and you get 3/10 equals x. (15) What number is 14% of 205? So, what number, that's what we're trying to find, is equals 14%, move the decimal twice, of means multiply 205. So we multiply that out, which I haven't done. And I got 28.7. (17) 1.2 is 12% of what? So 1.2 is means equals 12%, move the decimal twice, so 0.12, of means multiply, and that's what we're trying to find, x. So I want to move this 1.2, so we're going to go ahead and divide both sides to move it over. When we do that, we can divide that on our calculator and get 1.2 divided by 0.12, and I get 8.33 continuing forever equals x. Ugh, that's not right. I don't know what my calculator did. It's 10. So if I divide 1.2 divided by 0.12, we get 10. So that means 10 on this side equals x, because those 12s are gone. Number 19, 8.5% of what is 51? So again, let's write our equation. 8.5, I'm going to go ahead and change that. Half is 0.5. So I'm looking at 8.5%. We also have to move the decimal 2 places. So that gives me 0.085 of, so times something, is 51. So we're going to go ahead and type that into our calculator. To type it in, we have to divide both sides by 0.085. The objective is to get that x by itself. So I'll be left with x equals, and then in our calculator, 51 divided by 0.085. Double check it. 600. what's next? Number 19, number 21. 21. What percent of 80 is 88? So I'm looking for the percent for x. Of means multiply. Is equals 88. So we go ahead and divide both sides by 80. Sorry, I should write that step. Divided by 80, divided by 80, and we get x equals, so we have 88 divided by 80, 1.1. So x equals 1.1. Now this isn't a percent yet. To make it a percent, you move the decimal 2 places. So 1, 2 places. So that is 110%. 23. 17 17 is what percent of 50? So we're looking for the percent. So I do 17 is, means equals, what percent, that's what I'm looking for, of 50. So times 50 multiplied by 50. To get rid of the 50, we divide. We go to our calculator and we do 17 divided by 50, and it gives us 0.34. Again, remember, this is not your percent. To make it a percent, you have to move that decimal 2 places. So 34% is what x equals. So don't forget, is means equals, of means multiply, and every single time I promise you will get it right.